everyone, welcome to Miss Corina's Reading Summer Storytime Books. Today's story is called The Best Mouse Cookie. It is written by Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. Mouse has everything he needs to make cookies. He adds flour, salt, and a little music. Mouse thinks baking is easy, sometimes. The bigger the drop, the louder the plop. Now Mouse needs a little nap. He makes himself comfortable. A little too comfortable. Oh well, Mouse doesn't mind starting over. There's no such thing as too many cookies. But the best cookie is the one you share with a friend. Just ask Mouse.